name is Meredith, and I'm here to teach you how to paint beautiful, realistic paintings using acrylics as your color medium. We finished up with our geometric shapes and how to use those in paintings, and so today we're going to move on to color schemes. So we're going to go back and look at the color wheel again and show you how to pick out the colors that you want to use or that are compatible to use in making a painting. So we're going back to the color wheel, and there are only 4 color schemes that I would like to demonstrate today. There are probably a lot more, and you can find those on the color wheel. But the first one I want to show you is monochromatic. And this is an example of a monochromatic color scheme. And what that means is, mono means one, and so you pick one color, any color you want, and you can make a painting using one color and white to lighten the color and gray to darken the color. This is an example of a monochromatic color scheme. So you use from the lightest light, it's just like making a grayscale. You use from the lightest light, you keep adding red until you get to the full saturation, and then you add gray until you get it as dark as you would like to have it. The next one that I want to show you is complementary. And of course you've seen this one before in one of our other videos when we demonstrated how to lighten and darken on a painting. So a complementary color scheme, if you remember, we found this on the color wheel. You put your arrow on blue, and to find blue's complementary color, you go straight across on the color wheel and you locate its complement, which is orange. So orange and blue complement each other. So that's why we chose these colors for a complementary color scheme. The blue in the background complements the orange, and the orange complements the blue. So this is 2 colors that you can use together to make a nice color scheme. Okay, the next one we're going to show you is analogous. This is a sample of an analogous color scheme, and the way to find that on the color wheel is choosing 3 colors. Some people use 4 colors, but I like to use 3. So choosing 3 colors on your color wheel that are side by side. This is called analogous. So in this sample, I chose yellow orange, yellow, and yellow green. Those are the 3 colors side by side, which make an analogous color scheme. And this is a sample. So here is the yellow orange. Here is the yellow, and here is the yellow green. And I mix the yellow and the yellow orange and the yellow green together to create the shadows in this case. So I only use the 3 colors to complete this painting, plus white. I did use white to lighten both, all 3 colors. I used some white to lighten. And that is permitted when you're doing an analogous color scheme. Okay, the next one I would like to show you is called Triadic. This is a sample of a triadic color scheme, and it tells you right on the color wheel exactly how to locate your colors. So in this case, we're using purple, orange, and green, which is a triadic color scheme on the color wheel. As you also probably know, red, yellow, and blue make a triadic color scheme. And so using the secondary, the red, yellow, and blue are primary colors, and purple, orange, and green are secondary colors. And so we're using all three secondary colors to create this painting. And this is a sample. So this is the purple, and this is the orange, and this is the green. Now in this case, I wanted this green to be the dominant color because it is the subject of the painting, the avocado. And so I lightened the purple by adding white and lightened the orange by adding white. And then I put a little gray in the mix to dull those down and set them back so they wouldn't be so bright and predominant in the painting, because I wanted the avocado to, be dominant. And so that is, oh, and then of course the seed is a combination of purple, orange, and green all mixed together, and then lightened to make the highlight and darkened to make the shadow on the seed. So that is an example of a triadic color scheme. And that's the four that I wanted to show you today. And I hope that was nice and clear and that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.